Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about the expansion of this road, the North-South Highway. Now, it was recently announced, well currently this road goes from Kingston to Miami Bay. Excellent road, job well done by China Harbour Engineering Company, and it is actually the largest or the most expensive road project ever done in Jamaica. The road is built, it's working great. Now the government is expanding this road. It's going to take where the road currently ends in Miami Bay, just on the outskirts of Ocho Rios, or on the other side, Draxall. They're going to be expanding the road from Miami Bay to Discovery Bay, which I think everybody is in agreement with because you're going to pass towns like Draxall, the fastest growing area in Jamaica, Runaway Bay that probably has over 10,000 hotel rooms and villas, etc., coming on stream in the next few weeks or months. And the other part, section expansion 1B, is from Miami Bay to Prospect in St. Mary. Now, I think this section has caught everybody off guard because while we knew the highway was going to be extended from Miami Bay to the outskirts of Trelawney, this is the first I'm hearing of, and I'm sure you guys, it's the first you're hearing of, the highway going from Miami Bay to St. Mary. So today we're going to discuss why they're building a highway, a toll road, a four-lane highway, just like this road, Highway 2000 North South, to Prospect in St. Mary. Now, between Miami Bay and Prospect, you have Ocho Rios, a major tourist town, so the highway would link Kingston directly to Ocho Rios via the highway. And you ask, why St. Mary? Because St. Mary it has doesn't have as much appeal as say a Trelawney, but St. Mary has something that is a game changer for this area. It has the Ian Fleming International Airport. And where is it located? Prospect. So the highway is going to go from Miami Bay to the Ian Fleming International Airport. Maybe not directly to the airport because of the space issues, but it will be right on the, um, it will connect to the airport probably via a 30-second drive or something like that. But that is the reason why I think the highway is going to Prospect, to St. Mary, to connect to the airport. Now, unfortunately, when this airport was built, a lot of mistakes were made. The largest one is they did not extend the runway so that a plane the size of a 737 could land on it. As a result of that, this airport is what you call an epic failure. Never lived up to its expectations, but they plan to extend the runway to build a proper runway that can land the big planes. And that is why I think this highway is going to Prospect. Now, no timeline has been given, but if you have a proper airport out by Ian Fleming International, if it can land the 737, which is probably the standard aircraft that's used in commercial aviation. If you build a runway that can land there, and you a runway that a plane of that size can land on, and you have a highway going from Ian Fleming International Airport, not only to Ocho Rios, to Miami Bay, to Draxall, to Runaway Bay, and to Discovery Bay, that is a game changer for the area. A real airport connected via highway to some of the most popular tourist destinations or spots in Jamaica. That area is going to, I'm sure Ocho Rios will eventually outgrow Montego Bay as the tourist capital of Jamaica when all this is done. So we really have to give credit for this plan. I mean, hey guys, if you saw this highway from Miami Bay to Prospect coming, let us know. Leave your comments in the section below. But I didn't see it. I didn't even hear about it. So it's very good that they have done it. And I hope they did announce they were going to be expanding the runway at the airport. The runway is actually going to go out into the sea to make it long enough to land the big planes. So it's a game changer for this area. And of course, we'll keep you guys updated on this development. All right, guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.